it's me, Allegra. I thought it'd be really fun today to share a makeup subscription box haul. So I've got a bunch of makeup subscription boxes here that I've been collecting that I never got to open. So I figured we could unbox them today, see what's inside, because I do have four makeup subscription boxes here that I haven't opened. Like I said, I have not opened them yet, so I figured we could unbox them, see what's inside, and have a good time. So before we jump into today's video though, if it's your first time here, hi, my name is Alegra Chetti. I hope you'll subscribe and stay in touch. We have tons of giveaways, all kinds of fun times, so I hope you will subscribe. So without further ado, let's just dive right into this makeup subscription box haul. So beauties, the first one I'm going to unbox tonight is this makeup subscription box from Ipsy. Now beauties, do you see this? Some of you might have seen in my previous makeup subscription box unboxing video where I showed how, or I mentioned that weird things were going on at my P.O. box. Can we just put this down as proof now? This is how it came, and look at this. Look at, it's ripped open, and what is that? Did someone open it? Like obviously somebody opened it. It's actually ripped, like someone tore into it with God knows what. Do you guys see that? I just, because I had mentioned to you guys in a previous video, I'm not sure if you saw it, but I said something weird is going on in my P.O. box. They tell me they lost packages, and then they're like, we lost them, so what? And I'm like, so what? And I pay for this place. This is not the United States Post Office. I actually pay to have my packages left there. You know, it's a UPS store, so I pay. I think it's a lot of money. They're always losing boxes, and then even my husband went in and went to pick up a box for me one time, and they were told him, they said, oh, we lost it, and he was like, well, you have to find it. It's this, what do you mean you? Because how many times can you tell someone you lose their packages? And now look at this. It came all open and tore up and then taped up. I don't understand, guys. The actual whole lid was torn off. I just noticed that it actually is missing the lid for the top, and then they just put tape over it to secure it. So how did that even happen? And I would say this is like a one-time thing, but this has been going on because my other boxes that were at my P.O. box also were just opened. They looked like they were open and ripped into. So I hope nothing's missing. Let me know, guys, if there's anything missing, if you've already unboxed this box. This is the creator box though, so I'm getting the Ipsy Glam Bag, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus in here. So please let me know if you guys see anything missing. Yeah, if you guys notice anything strange, let me know. Okay. So anyway, first things first. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so happy. They sent another razor kit, which I had their razor in the past from Ipsy's brand. It's called Refreshments. They have different bath and body type of products, and I'm so happy they sent another razor because I loved the razor, and I actually was like, I have to go buy one, order one off the site, something, because I loved it so much. Here it is. Oh my god, it's absolutely beautiful. This is different than what I had gotten before. This is actually just like a rose gold, and then it comes with two different heads. So let's see here, beauties. Then they sent their shave cream, which their lotions and body wash smells so good. It has like a lemon scent, a creamy lemon, smells so good. So then beauties, they also sent another one. What is this? Oh, it says Oh My Moisture Conditioner. This is also from Refreshments. So is this a hair hydrates? It's for your hair. So I've never tried their hair conditioner or shampoo before. So let's see what this one smells like. Oh, that smells really nice. It's very light, maybe has a hint of grapefruit. It smells, oh, freesia. It's probably freesia because it says right there, freesia. So anyway, guys, I can't wait to use that. And then here they sent BFF Best Face Forward Balancing Serum. This is a AHA, BHA, niacinamide, oil-free hydration, helps to balance oil. So can't wait to try this. And then here is Milky Jelly Cleanser. I'm so excited. I've never tried anything from Glossier, and I really, really have been wanting to. And then what is this? Beauty Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lush Extensions Mascara. So this is probably really nice. I can't wait to try that. And then here, beauties, is something from Yensa. And this is a pumpkin turmeric radiance polishing mask with 8 super orange essence. I love masks, so I can't wait to try that. So then beauties, look at this gorgeous bag. Now this bag is after my heart. I'm so obsessed with this green kind of shade, especially for the winter months. The velvet material, it feels so soft. So this is definitely a bag I would love to use as a clutch. I'm just gonna open up and see what's inside. So here they sent, inside is a Danessa Myrix. This is the Vision Flush Eye and Cheek color. It looks like it's like a champagne color tiara. So I can't wait to try that. And then here is cake butter, whipped body butter. Oh, let me try that. That sounds amazing. Like I said, I'm just all about the lotions and the potions. And the smell, scents. I just love nice scents. Oh, that smells so good. Who makes this? Sugar Rush. Oh, this is from Tarte. Oh, Tarte Sugar Rush products are so good. My skin feels really nice and soft now, so love that. And then here, what is this here, beauties? This is a Camelina Strobe Luminizing Primer. So this is from Seraphine Botanicals. And then here is a Sophia and Maybelle. Is this a lip oil or a lip gloss? Beauties, I gotta try this right now because I love lip oil. It feels really good. The nice thing about lip oils is that they look like the ultimate glosses too. A lot of times they're so glossy that they wind up just looking like a beautiful lip gloss, but then they're conditioning your lips as well, so you're getting 2 for 1. So let's keep it moving. And then here is Il Makiage Dirty Talk Matte Lip Color in this beautiful shade. So it's called Dirty Talk Bella. And then finally, beauties, in my glam bag is this Briogeo Don't Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. So I can't wait to try that too. So beauties, that's everything that came in my creator box. Now, to be honest, usually I think there is something a little more. So I think something is missing. You know, usually I just think there's usually like a notepad or something like that. So I do think there's something missing. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. So then beauties, I have a Glossybox here to unbox. So here is the Glossybox that came. So always they come just so gorgeously packaged. So here they sent, let's see here. This is a K-Beauty brand. I've tried this before. I absolutely love these products. This is their Daily C Cleansing Balm. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. I haven't tried this yet, but I've tried a lot of different products from Vitabrid, and I can't wait to try this one because I love cleansing balms and I don't have one currently. I'm moving. So this is called Oui Cherie from the Beauty Shop. And this is a pH changing lip oil. So this must be one of those lip oils that changes according to your pH. Oh, it feels really good. Watch my lips turn like green because it's apparently going to transform with your pH. Okay, anyway, here is, let's see what this is. This is from Paper. Commodity Paper. What is that? Have you guys heard of this? Oh, it's a perfume. Oh, it smells so good. And then here is another product that came in our glossy box. This is the Figs and Rouge Blurring Primer, Satin Soft and Finishing Fix. Oh, is this one of those? But I don't want to mess my makeup up. But did you guys see how there's certain primers that you put on top and they just make a gorgeous effect? I don't know. I don't want my makeup to separate, you know. So anyway, beauties, finally there is this cute little palette in here. This is from Cella. Hello Beautiful. This beautiful little eyeshadow quad. This brown color just was calling my name. Yeah, you know, it's brown, but there's so many different ways that you can create brown. So I just put a little bit on, but I love that color. Oh my gosh. So that was everything in our glossy box, and you would get all of that every month. And like I said, I do have a code, so you can get your first box for $1. See if you like it, and then you can always cancel. But that was amazing. So then, beauties, believe it or not, I have another Ipsy box to unbox with you today. So now this one came fully intact. So we're gonna actually see if how this compares to the other one, because like I said, I think there was something missing in the other one. But anyway, let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. Now this is a big one because this is a creator box. So yeah, already it looks like there's more stuff in here than there was in the other Ipsy box that was damaged and opened and all that. So anyway, guys, hopefully, whatever, what can you do? It's too late now, right? So anyway, beauties, here is, oh, I think I saw this in store the other day. This is from Nails Inc. and it's a roller ball, crystal ball roller gloss, and it has a flower essence inside. How beautiful. Oh, I love these. I love the way this feels because I used to love these when I was little. These roller ball feels so good. And then here, oh, Kate Somerville, my favorite. Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Oh, I can't wait to try this. I love her products. I've been using her Exfoliate, the exfoliating treatment. I've been using that like 2 or 3 times a week for like about the past month. So I do think I see a difference. It's refining my skin and reducing the texture. So love that. And then here, beauties, from La Creme Shop. This is 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly Collagen and Squalane Essence Sheet Mask. Collagen boosting sheet mask. K-Beauty, made in Korea. So I can't wait to use this. Actually, I also got a foot mask from them the other day at the drugstore that I can't wait to use. I'm obsessed with foot masks now. Ones that do not peel. I hate the ones that peel. So, oh guys, I'm so excited to try this. This is from Dragon Beauty. You know what I want to try from Dragon Beauty? That contour. Is it a contour powder or a cream? But I see a lot of people using that and it looks so good. But this is Dragon Beauty liner. So that's ooh, this is really nice. See if it dries. That's my #1 thing, but it is applying very nice. So here, oh, here's something from Verb Ghost Prep Weightless Moisture Heat Control, Heat Protection and Fizz Control. Oh, I can't wait to try this. I was gonna purchase something from Verb the other day. I believe it's called Ghost Oil. Have you beauties tried that? I would love to try that, but I can't wait to use this as well. This is a primer for fine hair for weightless styling. I need this. This is great. But oh, here is some brushes. So these look like really beautiful face brushes. And then here is the Glam Bag Plus, another beautiful bag. This is the Surfer Curl from Tarte. Is this a mascara? Hopefully this is a waterproof mascara. I hope so. I really need waterproof mascara. I can't wait to try that. So here is the Benefit Professional. Oh, this is that other one that they came out with. This is like a new one that they came out with. Hydrating primer. So that sounds really nice. And then here is also in this box from Ipsy, Eye Contour Cream. And then here is a Royalty Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. Another little palette. Oh, this has some beautiful colors as well. Then beauties, finally I have one more makeup subscription box to unbox. Here it is again, guys. Beautiful. Oh, they just package everything so gorgeously. So here they sent this post shave for all skin refresh. So this is going to help with reducing any kind of ingrown hairs and things like that. So that's really nice. I can't wait to try that. Oh, look at this. Oh, I can't wait to try this right now. This is called Spice Bomb from Viktor and Rolf Infrared. Oh, that's really nice. Wow. I put on that other perfume, but that other perfume was very like, oh, this is sexy. This is a very sexy, spicy scent. I really like this. And then here they sent Verso Eye Cream. And then they sent a Mighty Patch. This you put over a pimple if you have one, and it takes down the inflammation and the redness. It's called your Blemish Hero, so that's really awesome. I do actually have some pimples now, so I could be putting that to good use. And then here is a Regiment Beard, Brow, and Mustache Roll-On Growth Solution. And then here they sent another product from For All. This is a Hair Love regeneration elixir. This you put on your scalp, and it says it's going to help your hair. It's going to help your hair grow in thicker. So definitely I'll give that a try. Finally, beauties, from our makeup subscription box haul, we have here these Wolf Project hydrating sheet masks. Oh, one is a hydrating sheet mask and one is a mud mask detox face sheet mask. That's weird. I've never heard of a mud mask in a sheet mask form, so I can't wait to try these. Hey dolls, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today and checking out my makeup subscription box haul. Let me know how you beauties are doing. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. It helps me out so much. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. I love you so much, and I'll see you very soon. Bye, love you.